The planetary wind system of the world includes the high and low pressure belts. Wind tends to blow from the high pressure centers to the low pressure centers. You are seeing a wind distribution map showing idealized winds generated by pressure gradient and the effect of the Earth's rotation, the Coriolis force. Land masses cause considerable disruption of the winds, particularly in the northern hemisphere. The trades and the westerlies are the main planetary winds of the world. Trade wind roughly cover the entire area between 30 north and 30 south latitudes on both sides of the equator. The trade winds area a result of a pressure gradient from the subtropical belt of high pressure to the equatorial belt of low pressure. In the northern hemisphere, the wind moving towards equator is deflected by the Earth's rotation to flow southwestward. Thus, the prevailing wind there is from the northeast, and it has been named as the northeast trades. In the southern hemisphere, deflection of the wind is towards the left. This causes the southeast trades. The westerlies, or the prevailing westerly wind, blow between 35 and 60 north and south latitudes from the subtropical high-pressure belts towards the subpolar low-pressure belts. In the northern hemisphere, the westerlies generally blow from the southwest to the northeast, and in the southern hemisphere, from the northwest to the southeast. As their general direction is from the west, they are called the westerlies. They are also known as anti-trade wind, because their movement is in the opposite direction from that of the trade wind. The winds blowing in the Arctic and the Antarctic latitudes are known as the polar winds. They have been termed the polar easterlies, as they blow from the polar high-pressure centers towards the subpolar low-pressure belts. These winds are extremely cold, as they blow from the landmass capped with ice. Southern hemisphere has more regular polar winds than the northern hemisphere.